Okay, my dear students, today we are going to learn about the regular and irregular objects. Yes, I think you can guess it. Yes, this type of objects called regular, and this type of objects are called irregulars. Can you differentiate? What's differentiate there? Yeah, can you differentiate? Yeah, there is the fixed shape. Yeah, and also this bricks is fixed shapes. Yes, and also this book has fixed shapes, and this marble has also the fixed shapes, and they are in geometrical shapes. They are in geometrical shapes, and they are non-geometrical shapes. Yeah, you can find what is irregular and what is regular objects from these pictures. Okay, my dear students, let's start. What is the regular objects? What is the regular objects? Yeah, look at here, my dear students. The object which have geometrical shapes or fixed shape is called regular objects. Yes, those objects. Yes, those objects which have regular and which have geometrical shapes or fixed shapes is called the regular objects. Yeah, in our surroundings, there are many types of objects found. Some are regular and some are irregulars. Yeah, so you know now what is the regular objects? Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Listen very carefully. Okay, my dear students, we go another slide. Yes, here are the some formula. And a white shade here. How can we find area of the irregular objects? Yes, this why is confusing here. How can we find area of the irregular object, he says? And ma'am says here, yes, by using this type of the formula, we can calculate the area of the regular object. So my dear students, you know, yes, area of rectangular object is equal to length into breadth. Yes, we can find area of the rectangular object. The formula is A is equal to L into B. And then other area of the square object A is equal to length square. Yeah, let us discuss another slide too. And now number 3, the area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Pi is the known value here. Pi is the known value. Its value is always 22 upon 7. Yes, it is the known value, and you remember it. Remembers in your mind too. And here r is radius. Yes, r means radius. So my dear students, you read it. Yeah, you read it very nicely. Yeah, you keep it in your mind. This is the key points. Yes, to do the numericals. Yes, if we don't know this formula, we cannot find area of the regular object. That's why these formula are very, very important. Okay, my dear students, let's go another slide. Oh, my dear students, what is here? What type of the shapes here? Do you know? Yes. Oh, very good. Very good. This is the rectangle objects. This is the rectangle objects. Yeah. Yeah. Rectangle object means the object which are not equal shapes. Yeah. The objects which do not have equal side. Yes, we can show this type. Yeah, if there is no equal side, that type of object is called the rectangle objects. Yes, here is length. Yes, longer part is always in length and shorter part is always breadth. So then how can we find this area, this object's area? So by using formula. Yes, by using formula A is equal to A into B, we can find the area of rectangle object. Yes, okay, you do step by step here. Okay, it was you sketch these pictures of these rectangular objects. Yeah, and you write it was here. Yeah, length L is equal to 10 cm. Yes, here length longer side is 10 cm and breadth B is equal to 6 cm. Yeah, this is the breadth of this rectangular object and B is equal to 6 cm. Then what we find here? Yeah, area of these objects. Area of these objects. Okay, by using formula A is equal to L into B. Yeah, this is the formula of the finding area of any object. Yes, that's why we apply here A is equal to L into B. And now we put the value of L. Here L is equal to 10 cm. Yes, we place the value of L 10 cm into and we put value of B here 6 cm. Yes, then we multiply. Yes, then we multiply 10 cm and 6 cm. Then it becomes 10 6 ja 60. Yes, cm and cm. There are 2 cm. That's why cm is square. Or unit of area is equal to cm square. So area of the rectangle object is equal to 60 cm square. Answer. Do you know? Yes. Who? You understand me? So my dear students, look it very carefully. Yeah. Okay, now let's go another topic. Okay, what type of objects here? Can you guess? What type of objects? Yes, this is the what? Square object. This is the square objects. Yeah. Square object means the object which have equal side. The object which have equal side. Yes, length and breadth. They are equal. Yes, here is 10 cm and here is 10 cm. This side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. But here all 4 sides are equal. That is, this object is called the square objects. Then now, how can we find the area of the square objects? Yeah, my dear students, you guess it. You already guess it. How can we find? You are very gentleman. Yeah, you are very smart boy or smart girls. You easily find out. Yeah, and you should follow this type. Yeah, these types you can do, or you can find the area of the square objects. Yes. Okay, let's write here. Here, length is equal to 10 cm. Yes. length is equal to 10 cm and another breadth is equal to 10 cm, and they have the equal sides. So we can say, we can write here A is equal to 10 cm. Yes, we write here L is equal to only 10 cm. Yes, yes. Okay, here is also find area of these objects. So we use A is equal to L square. A is equal to L square is the formula of the square object. Yeah. So we place the value of L. Yes, there is 10 cm. Yes, squares. Yes, that is 10 square means 10 into 10s. There are two 10s. Yes, that's why 10 tens are 100 and cm square. Answer. So area of the circular object is 100 centimeter square. So how many areas covered these objects? Yeah, very good. The area of circular objects covered 10 centimeters. Okay, are you understanding me? Okay, now let's go here. Oh, what type of object here? Is this circular? Is this rectangular? No. It is not rectangular. It is circular objects. Yes, for circular objects. Yes, for circular means round object. For circular object means round objects. Yeah. Yes, for circular objects or for round object, we can find by using formula A is equal to pi r square here. Yes, here we use area of circular object A is equal to pi r square. Yes, keep it in mind. Okay, we can find area of the circular object by using this formula. Yes, here is the round object here. Yeah, and this is the circumference. This is the circumference of these circular objects. Yeah, and here is the center points. Here is the center points, and the distance from the center point to circumference is called radius, and here is given r is equal to 7 cm. Yes, here radius r is equal to 7 cm, and area of the circular object is equal to what? Yes, by using formula, area of circular object A is equal to pi r square. Students, what is the value of pi? Yes, very good. Pi is always 22 upon 7. The value of pi is always 22 upon 7. And you write it here. Yeah, 22 upon 7 into, yes, this is the dot point represent into, yes, multiply, and we put the value of the r 7. Yes, here is r is equal to 7. So we put the value of r 7 in square, 7 square. And we write, yes, similar by 22 upon 7 into 7 7 ja 49. Yes, we calculate 42 into 49 upon 7. Yes, we calculate. Yes, it last we calculate, then it comes 154 centimeter square. So area of this circular object is 154 cm square answer. So this process, yes, we can find the area of the circular object. So keep it in mind, this is the formula of this circular object. If we don't know this formula, we cannot find. Yeah, so that's why you remember it. Okay, are you understanding me? Yes. Okay, look at these pictures. What type of pictures are here? Yeah, you already guessed it. Yeah, there is no geometrical shapes, or there is no fixed shapes. Yeah. Yes, this is the piece of brick. These are the stone. This is the piece of paper. Yes, clear paper, and these are the leaf. Yeah, this is the leaf. They do not have the fixed shapes or geometrical shapes. Yeah. Okay. What is the irregular objects here? Yeah, the object which do not have fixed geometrical shapes are called irregular objects. Yes, my dear students, you know it very easily. Yeah, there is no irregulars. Yeah, surface. Yeah, there is no irregular surface. There is a zigzag surface. Yeah, that's why they all are what? Irregular objects. The object which do not have fixed geometrical shapes are called irregular objects. Okay, I hope you are understanding well. Okay, now this man is thinking now here. How can we find the area of the irregular objects? Yeah, this is the area. This is the irregular objects. And this person thinks, how can we find area of the irregular objects? So, do you have any idea, my dear students? Have you any idea? Yes, good, my dear students. We find the irregular objects by using this graph paper. Yeah, by using this graph paper, we can find area of the irregular object. Yes, I sketch outline of irregular object here. At first, you sketch out or you draw outline of any irregular objects in the graph paper. Yes. Then, number one, here is the rule. Here is the rule. Here is the rule. Yes. What is the rule here? Can you say? What is the rule here? Yes, number one, by counting full square. Yes, number 1 मा तपाईहरुले यो चाहिँ यहाँ देखिराख्नु भएको छ हैन यसलाई चाहिँ फुल स्क्वायरलाई पहिला चाहिँ नम्बर 1 मा काउन्ट गर्ने ल हामी यहाँ काउन्ट गर्न सक्छौं यसमा चाहिँ हामी काउन्ट गर्न सक्छौं यसमा चाहिँ काउन्ट गर्दाखेरि कति वटा छ 1 यस 1 2 3 4 5 6 yes there are 6 full square there are 6 full square there are 6 full square yeah and again now number 2 by counting more than half square त्यसपछि हामी चाहिँ यो आधा भन्दा धेरै भागलाई चाहिँ एउटा मानेर गर्छौं yes here is 1 yes 1 yeah this is यो चाहिँ आधा भन्दा धेरै छ 1 2 3 4 यो पनि आधा भन्दा धेरै छ 5 यो पनि आधा भन्दा धेरै छ 6 आधा भन्दा धेरै छ यो पनि 7 yes यो पनि आधा भन्दा धेरै छ 8 yes there is 8 more than half square yes I write here and you also write here this type yes there is 8 type of the more than half square as in third rule by counting exactly half square and यो भनेको एकदम ठीक आधा ठिक्क आधा अब यो आधा छ नि हैन यो यहाँ देखि यहाँसम्म र यहाँ देखि यहाँसम्मको भाग चाहिँ आधा नै छ हो आधालाई पनि हामी 1 नै गर्छौं 1 अरु छ कि छैन यो त सानो छ यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ गर्दैनौं हैन 1 यो कस्तो छ यो पनि सानो छ गर्दैनौं यस यति नै छ यो त यो सानो नै छ त्यस कारणले गर्दा यहाँ चाहिँ आधा भाग चाहिँ 1 छ है यहाँ चाहिँ यो चित्रमा चाहिँ एक्ज्याक्टली हाफ स्क्वायर चाहिँ कति छ 1 छ है अब हामी चाहिँ यो सबैलाई के गर्छौं जोड्छौं अब हामी सबैलाई के गर्छौं जोड्छौं यहाँ we add 6 this is 6 yeah and plus this is plus 8 yes plus 8 plus 9 8 plus 1 yeah 1 yes okay now dear students can you add okay 8 6 8 1 can you add 8 1 9 9 6 15 yes here is 15 okay now what is the area of the unit of the area okay cm square okay this type yes we find area of the irregular objects. Hope you are understanding well, my dear students, and you also sketch out your graph paper. Yeah, you write you draw oneself. Yes, this is the horizontal line and this is vertical line. Yes, you sketch out your copy by using scales. Then you sketch out any type of the irregular objects. Then you apply this rule. Yeah, then you easily find out area of the irregular object. Are you understanding well? Yes, my dear student, I think you are understanding well. If you have any confusion, then you write in comment box. Yes, I will try to give you solve. Okay. Okay, now we are going to another slide. Yes. What is he doing? Oh, okay, he's no. Sorry. Okay. What is he doing here? Yes, he's saying how can find the volume of regular objects. Okay, now he says how can we find the volume of the regular objects? Yes, we easily find by using this type of the formula. We easily find this type of the irregular object. Yeah. Yes, I erase it. It makes dirty. So. Okay, my dear students, we find volume of the irregular objects by using this formula. Volume V is equal to L into B into H. By using formula, we can easily find out the volume of the irregular objects. Yes, here is length. Yes, here is breadth, and here is height. So we multiply each other, then we easily find area of the what? Area of the irregular object. Yeah. Okay. Okay, do you understand me? Okay, my dear students. Now we are going to another slide. Yes. Now, how can we find volume of the irregular objects? This person say. Yes, in another slide, we easily find area of irregular object by using graph paper. But in this slide, we are going to learning about how can we find the volume of the irregular object. Yeah. Oh, she says she's extremely happy. And she said we can find volume of irregular object by using measuring cylinder. Have you ever seen measuring cylinder? Yeah, measuring cylinder is this type. Yeah, these are the measuring cylinder. We can find volume of the irregular objects. Yes, this type. At first you pour water in this measuring cylinder, then you put irregular objects here, and at first you note it down the water level, then you put irregular objects, then its water level is rises, and then we easily find, yes, here is the water level is below, and here is the water level is above. Yes, by subtracting, yes, final volume of water or initial volume of water, then we easily find volume of the regular objects. Okay, my dear students, this much today. Yes, I give you project work for you. And there are questions here. Number 1, collect regular and irregular objects around your home. Number 2, differentiate between them into regular object and irregular objects. And number 3, draw three regular objects and irregular objects. Okay, this much for today. Hope you understand well. Thank you.